Howdy folks, thanks for tuning in. We're just doing a little welding in the garage today. Got the Everlast welder set up again. I wasn't expecting a snowstorm or any more snow this year, so Danny and I took off the snow bucket from the tractor, and guess what? Now we're going to get 2 feet of snow, according to the forecast. So to avoid getting 2 feet of snow, we put the snow bucket back on the Ford. And it needed a little welding. I'll show you that. We got this here. Typical spots on a snow bucket in the corners where the braces hook up. Come over here to this side, this here too. Of course, this isn't any fancy welding, as we know. This is just farmer fixing to get by, and it's an old bucket, so it isn't worth putting a whole lot of time in it. My neighbor lady came over last night and she asked me to do a little project for her too. I'll show you that. It's a butterfly bird bath thing. Anyway, just needed some tacks. That's all. It doesn't fold up flat anymore. I added an extra tack on the other side to try and support it a little better. But yeah, I think it looks pretty neat. She'll have to repaint it, but it'll come out real nice and it'll hold up for years to come. Fix it before you throw it away. Save yourself some money. Or have your neighbor do it. He's happy to do it too.